So for the face shapes, what I did was I added. So if we just quickly make a little head. Just gonna make this kind of like a I'm gonna make this kind of like an Enderman head. Add that there, that there, that there. So what I did was I added a rig, armature. Well, actually, um, well, yeah, I use the human meta rig. It's yeah, the human meta rig. You can get that by going up to Edit, Preferences, and just type in Rigify, and then ticking that. It comes packaged with Blender. It's just not on by default to, save some space, save some memory. But, and, speed up startup time. But you can use that. I'm just going to use, so yeah, you can use the meta rig. That gives you like this super detailed face rig. But I'm just going to quickly add in just regular bones because it takes a while to build it. And extrude, extrude, and yep, E with automatic weights. It's worked. It didn't. Let's try that again. Soup. Try that again. You know what that'll do. So, what I would do is I'd go into pose. I'd set up the rig so that the face had an armature, and I automatically weight painted that face to the meta rig armature. And so then I could go ahead. So you have to add a basis shape key first, but once you've got the rig parented, then Control Tab and make a pose. The mouth open. Oh, this is very ugly. But then you can select the mesh, and then over here in armature, you can click this little drop down, and then you can go save as shape key. And over here, go call that the shape key. And then when we're done with this, we can just clear all the pose. So clear transform. And we can rig from the object. And now we've got this R shape key.